Hello students, today in this session we will discuss Arrhenius equation. What is Arrhenius equation? Relationship between rate constant and temperature is called Arrhenius equation and is usually written as K is equal to AE minus EA upon RT, where A is constant called frequency factor because it gives frequency of the binary collisions between the reacting species per second per liter. You know K is rate constant, EA activation energy, R gas constant, T is temperature. Students, the factor E raised to power minus EA upon RT. It gives fraction of the molecules possessing energy equal to or greater than threshold energy. That's Arrhenius equation. K is equal to AE minus EA upon RT. Students, after this, taking logarithm of both sides of equation 1. Now equation 1 becomes log K is equal to log A minus EA upon RT. After next, we convert natural log to common log. Multiply this by 2.303. 2.303 log A is equal to 2.303 log A minus EA upon RT. Now dividing each side by 2.303, we get 2.303 cancel. Log A is equal to log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT. This is equation of the form y equal to mx plus c. Students, that's the equation of straight line. On plotting y against x, a straight line is obtained. The slope is equal to m, where m mentions slope and c gives intercept. Y equal to mx plus c. Students, on plotting log k versus 1 by t. On plotting log k versus 1 by t, straight line is obtained and the slope of line is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R. Y equal to m 1 by tx and it is c. Slope is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R and intercept is equal to log A. Equation of straight line y equal to mx plus c. On plotting log A versus 1 by t, if straight line is obtained, the validity of the equation is verified. The slope of line is equal to this one. Students, by knowing the value of slope and gas constant, activation energy can be calculated as EA is equal to minus 2.303 R into slope. And the second way to find activation energy, alternate way. Suppose the value of rate constant at temperature T1 is K1 and at temperature T2 is K2. Then this equation 3 becomes, students, at temperature T1 the rate constant is K1. It becomes log K1 is equal to log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT1. At temperature T2 the rate constant is K2. So it becomes log K2 is equal to log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT2. That's the alternate way to find activation energy. After this, equation 4 and 5 are obtained. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 5. On subtracting equation 4 from 5, it becomes log K2 over K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. Subtracting equation 4 from 5. Students, it's clear. Log K2 minus log K1. Here I write directly. Now I am telling how I proceed. Equal to log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT2 minus log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT1. Log A cancel, students. This term becomes positive. EA upon 2.303 RT 1 minus EA upon 2.303 R T2. EA upon 2.303 R is common. It becomes 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. After this LCM T1 T2, it becomes EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. Students, in 2018, that's the question in board of 3 marks. Using Arrhenius equation, derive the relationship log K2 over K1 equal to EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. It means we have to proceed up to this. And we use this equation to find activation energy. Rate constant will be given at 2 different temperatures. We put these values and got EA. R is gas constant. Its value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. And if it is null, what is Arrhenius equation? Students, then you have to do only up to this. Relationship between rate constant and temperature K equal to AE minus EA upon RT. Taking logarithm on both sides, convert it to common log. After this equation of straight line, on plotting log K versus 1 by T, a straight line is obtained. That's Arrhenius equation. Now students, questions related to Arrhenius equation. The rate of reaction doubles when temperature changes from 27 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. Calculate activation energy EA. And it is given, students, the value of log 2 is given and R gas constant 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. We have to apply Arrhenius equation to find activation energy. We know Arrhenius equation log K2 over K1 equal to EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. Students, if the values of rate constant at 2 different temperatures are given, then we put the value of K2 and K1 from question. But in this question, it's directly given the rate of reaction doubles. It means we got an indication log K2 over K1 equal to 2. Temperature T1 is 27 degrees Celsius, converted to Kelvin. T2 again converted to Kelvin. Then students, put these values according to question. Rate of reaction doubles, log 2 is equal to EA we have to find. We put all these values. Students, we will not go for the exact calculation. We write exact value, but during calculation we only multiply 2.3 by 8. We don't go in exact calculation, we go in short by selecting easiest possible way. Multiply by 2.3 by 8 and then solve it. It becomes this one. After calculating, we got 53641.2 joule per mole. Friends, after this we convert it to kilojoule. Our answer is 53.64 kilojoule per mole. That's the simple way how to find activation energy using Arrhenius equation. So in the same way, students, please try to these two questions. The rate of a particular reaction triples. It means log K2 over K1 equal to 3. When temperature changes from 50 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, calculate activation energy. Log 3 is given, students, 0.4771 and R you know 8.314. When you solve it, its answer approximately will equal to 22.01 into 10 to the power 3 kilojoule per mole. That's the possible answer I have calculated. If it is close to it, it means you are right. Next is the rate constants for a reaction are 2 second inverse and 32 second inverse at 700 Kelvin and 800 Kelvin. Calculate EA. Friends, T1 700 Kelvin. It means the rate constant K1 is equal to 2 second inverse. In the same way, temperature T2 800 Kelvin, the rate constant K2 is equal to 32 second inverse. Again we put these values here. It becomes log 16 and you know the value of log 16. Log 16 is equal to 1.2040. I have told you the short trick how to find the value of log 16. When we know the value of log 2, we know the value of log 4 and then log 16. Please put these values and at last your answer will be close to this term. Thank you.